Welcome, I'm Robin. We're going to do some work on our upper body today, but first we're going to start that on our backs. You don't need anything, maybe a mat, depending on your flooring. Lie down on your back with your knees pointing up to the ceiling, the soles of your feet on the mat, about hip bone distance apart. Just take a moment to breathe here. To feel your spine on the mat, the natural curves, your collarbones nice and open, your neck long, your chin parallel to your mat. Take a big breath in and sigh it out, exhale. Again, big breath in. Exhale, release. Then reach your arms up towards the ceiling so that your palms face in towards one another and your arms are shoulder distance apart. Breathe here, either breathing out through your nose or coming into your yogic breath in and out through your nose. As you exhale, you're going to reach your arms a little bit higher towards the ceiling, feeling your shoulder blades spread on your back body, protract, and then inhale, draw your shoulder blades together. Just gently, your shoulders away from your ears, retract your shoulder blades. Again, inhale, reach up towards the ceiling. Exhale, draw back down. One more, reach up. And retract your shoulders and then find your neutral position somewhere in between those two. Stay here and scissor your arms. One arm goes back over your head and the other one goes down towards your mat. And then switch. Inhale to center, exhale, open up. And your arms can touch the mat or they can hover. Trying to keep everything else steady as you move. Warming up through the shoulders, feeling your arm bones in the socket. Good. And you can stick with this, or you can add your legs as well. So pull in that belly, draw your knees up to tabletop position, and you could stay here. Or as your one arm goes over your head, the opposite heel lowers down, heel drops. No arch in your spine, in your low back. Pulling that belly in if you're moving your legs here as well. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Hug your knees into your chest. We're going to make our way to down dog. You can rock forward and back, or you can come to one side and press up. Walk your feet back, press into your hands, lift your sitting bones. You're going to pedal out through your heels and shake your head. Even though this is an upper body short practice, we're going to work our whole body. Just our focus is on our upper body. Maybe finding some stillness in your down dog. And then roll forward like a wave to high plank. Maybe you're adjusting the distance in between your hands and feet. Hold here, pressing the floor away. And then lift your hips down dog. Keep your feet as they are. 2 more times like that. Roll forward, high plank, head in line with your spine. Exhale, lift your hips. You can keep your knees bent. One more, roll forward to high plank. And exhale, lift your hips, down dog. Big breath in. Big breath out. And now roll forward to high plank. Pause. Press the floor away. Protract your shoulder blades so that they're spreading away from one another. Lots of space all around your neck. Your collarbones are wide. And then drop your knees. Untuck your toes. Lower your right forearm down to the mat and your left forearm down to the mat. Then place your left hand back and your right hand. Switch. Left forearm down, right forearm down. Right hand presses down, left hand presses down. Keep alternating side to side. Hand, right hand. Left forearm, right forearm. Right hand, left hand. Right forearm, left forearm. Left hand, right hand. One more time. Left forearm, right forearm. Right hand, left hand. It doesn't matter if you switched it. You came back up. Now lower both forearms down. Stretch your legs back so you're in a forearm plank. Swivel your right forearm in. Roll to the pinky side edge of your right foot. Side forearm plank. Little lifts of your hips. Strong through this shoulder, your right shoulder. Pressing the floor away. You can stagger your feet or stack them. You can also take that top leg as a kickstand. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Forearm plank. Other side. Left forearm comes in. Stack your feet. Stagger them. Maybe take that top leg as a kickstand. Pressing away from that floor, strong in your left shoulder. Opening up through your chest. Little lifts of your hips. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to your forearm plank. Walk your feet in like you were going to down dog on your forearms. You can keep your knees bent. Widen through your sitting bones. Your arms are parallel to one another, your forearms. Or you can clasp your hands together. You can look straight down or you can look back at your feet and relax through your head. Engaging all the muscles in the back. One more breath. And then walk back to forearm plank. Place your left hand on the mat, your right hand on the mat. You're up in regular plank. And then chaturanga on your knees or off of your knees. Shift a little forward, lower down, tricep push-up. Inhale, peel your chest up, cobra with your thighs down or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Big breath in. Big breath out. Again, big breath in. And big breath out. Look forward to your hands. Roll forward like a wave, high plank. We did this with our knees down before. You can keep your knees up if you would like. Lower your right forearm to the mat, your left forearm to the mat. Walk back up. Left hand, right hand. Left forearm to the mat, right forearm to the mat. Right hand, left hand. You can lower your hands whenever you need. All right, let's go again. Right forearm to the mat, left forearm to the mat. Left hand, right hand. One more time through. Left forearm to the mat, right forearm to the mat. Right hand, left hand. We did it. Keep your right hand in the center, rolling that eye of the elbow towards the top corner of your mat. Tricep back. Swivel onto the pinky side edge of your right foot, side plank. Stagger, stack, kickstand. Big breath in. Big breath out. Back to plank, switch sides. Opening up, maybe using a kickstand leg, drawing that tricep, that upper arm in towards your body, the eye of the elbow forward, strong through that shoulder. Exhale, back to plank. Shift a little forward, lower down, chaturanga, lower all the way to your belly. Goal post your arms, pull in your low belly. Inhale, lift your chest. This can be a very small movement. Feel the work in your back muscles. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Maybe lift your legs as well. Exhale, lower down. One more. Inhale, lift up. Just your upper body or your legs too. And then lower your hands by your low ribs. Lower your feet. Inhale, peel your chest up. Cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog. Big breath in. And big breath out. Look forward to your hands. This time you're going to step your right foot right through. You're on the ball of your back foot, right knee over your ankle. Setting it up, strong legs. Inhale, rise up, high lunge. Goal post your arms, draw your elbows down. Feel your lats work. Inhale, reach up. Find your balance. You can always lower that back knee to the mat. Draw your elbows down. Lift your arms. One more. Draw your elbows down. Lift up. Hands down to the mat. Step back plank. Lower chaturanga with your knees up or down. Exhale, down dog. Other side. Look forward to your hands. Step your left foot through. Could be on the ball of your back foot, heel high, left knee over your ankle. Pausing here. And then inhale, rise up. Reach your arms up. If it's too much with the arms, work on the legs here, or lower the right knee to the mat and work on the arms. Goal post your arms, open up wide through your chest. Draw your elbows down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, goal post. Look straight ahead or up to challenge your balance. One more, inhale, arms up. Exhale, draw your elbows back, down your back. And your shoulder blades down your back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands down. Step back to plank. Shift forward, lower to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Big breath in. And big breath out. Walk your hands back towards your feet so you're going to the back of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees here as much as you need. Slide your hands underneath your feet so that your toes go all the way to your wrists. And then relax through your head. Maybe wiggle your toes, reach your sitting bones up. Feel a nice stretch here. Big breath in. Big breath out. Again, big breath in. And big breath out. And then inhale, look up, release your hands. Exhale, take your hands to your hips. Inhale, rise all the way up. Good. Stand on your left foot. Take your right foot, wrap it around, hugging your inner thighs together. Feel a nice stretch in your outer hips. You can keep your right foot down or you can hook it behind. Then your right arm goes under your left arm. You can hold your shoulders, give yourself a hug, or eagle arms. Find your balance. Reach your elbows away from you at shoulder height. Feel a nice stretch there. And then exhale, unwind, shake it out. And we'll switch. Weight comes into the right foot. Take the left leg around, hug in, stay here, or hook your foot behind. And then your left arm comes under, giving yourself a hug or taking that eagle bind. Maybe sitting low as if you were sitting in a chair. But concentrating on the stretch in your shoulders. And then exhale, unwind and shake it out. Inhale, reach up. Lower your right arm down, take a side bend. Inhale back to center, side bend to the left. Inhale back to center, goal post your arms. Twist to the right. Come back to center, twist to the left, trying to keep your hips forward. Come back to center, reach up. Lower your right hand down again, side bend. This time turn towards the mat, sweep down. And come up, arm over your ear. Look up and then look down and reach down. Your feet can be wider apart if you need the balance. The left arm sweeps over the ear again. And then inhale back to center and exhale, release. Great job. You can lie down and take a shavasana or a short meditation. I'm going to sit down to say goodbye. Feel all that beautiful energy in your body. And take your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for being here today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Leave me a note in the comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you for the next class.